Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make some pepper steak. Really good, really delicious, and I hope you guys stay tuned to watch the end of this video, and hope you guys make this at home. So thank you. Okay you guys, so here I got the beef chuck roast. You could use flank steak, but I like these ones better. We're going to use 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper, 1 large onion, a little piece of peeled ginger, black pepper, chicken seasoning, cornstarch, soy sauce, 3 cloves of garlic, and some organic pure honey. Okay you guys, so here we have our meat nice and cut up, little thin strips. What we want to first do is add a pinch of black pepper, one teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1/4 of cornstarch, and 1/8 cup of honey oil. Pinch of ginger, and a pinch of clove, just like that you guys, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 6 tablespoons of oil you guys, just like that. Now what you want to do is just mix it up. Okay you guys, so I already mixed up my meat with the marinated. So now what you want to do is cover it up and let it marinate for like 30 minutes. Put it in the fridge for like 30 minutes, you guys. Okay, you guys, so here I got my red peppers. We got my ginger, garlic, white onions, and green peppers. So now I'm going to show you how to make some curry. Okay you guys, so now I'm going to show you guys how to make the curry. I'm going to add two cups of water, a pinch of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and some cornstarch. Now what you want to do, you guys, whisk it. Just like that. Add a little bit more soy sauce. Just like that, you guys. Okay, guys. So here I got my pan. Here I got the meat. It's already been simmered for like 30 minutes. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. Now I'm gonna use this pan right here just to cook the meat, and then I'm gonna transfer it into another pan, guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let these cook so they're nice and crispy, and then I'm gonna take them out. So I'll be back, guys. Look at that beauty, you guys. Woo-wee. So I'm gonna let that cook for like another 6 minutes, and we'll be back when it's done, you guys. Okay guys, so the meat's all nice and done. Look at that. So I'm just gonna put it to the side right now. Okay guys, so now we're gonna preheat your pan at a medium. Add a little bit of oil. Oh. I don't want that in there yet. Added the garlic and the ginger. Black pepper. And some salt. Just like that, you guys. Now you want to add your vegetables, you guys. So I just let those cook for a little bit. I still want the freshness of the peppers and the onions, you know, I don't want them too soft. So now, I'm gonna add the curry. Look at that, you guys. Ooh-wee. So now I'm gonna add the meat back in here. Just like that, you guys. So there you guys have it. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Look at that beauty. So now I'm gonna let it cook just for like 3 more minutes, and it should be done, ready to serve, you guys. Make sure you guys try these at home. Very good. Okay, you guys, so here it is. Look at that beauty. It's all done. So make sure you guys try these at home. It's really good, you guys.